So, nandito na ako sa Ahmed Abdul Wahid. I'm gonna buy the... Yeah. That's why I'm here. How about you? This is my channel.
Why are you crying?
Hmm?
Why are you crying?
I'm not crying. I am...
You are crying.
No, I'm not. But I...
What's in it?
M50 battery.
Battery.
Yeah. I'm with this guy.
Last piece. We have this.
Last piece.
Yes.
Yeah, see, this is a fake battery.
Fake, huh?
Yeah.
Live, huh?
Show your face. It's not live.
Yeah, I know live. Every day
How?
I see you in restaurant.
This is not live. Every day you see me? No, you don't watch my vlog.
No, I see.
Let me see your YouTube if you are really subscribed to my
Hello.
channel. How much is it?
265.
What?
265.
So this is a battery for M50 and
Abdul Wahid.
it's Abdul Wahid showroom. This is like a fake store for Canon and other electronic stuff. 260. Last price.
Best price.
No, please.
This online last one. Should be happy because you get it.
You know what?
Then this one is good for you.
Oh yeah, this one's good.
Tripod or thing.
Multi camera. Yes.
Other 18995.
18?
18995.
Ulam mo ko yan. Ganda nito oh. Micronova.
Ito isa 1890 টাকা ওকে
Nagsalita talaga siya sa likod ng camera. Ang ano siya oh. Ganito. Galing. Dito, side, back, side. Yan. Wala na.
Harbi bidala.
And this one is 260.
5.
Come on.
Come on, we can do
No.
system price.
Kung alam ko lang binili ko na yung nakita ko sa Bata dati. 245 lang sa Bata. You know, Bata, Riyadh.
Real.
Yeah.
It's fake, not original. This
No, they have original and they have
That one is
class A.
fake, really?
No. It's the same.
Same, but not
Yeah.
Canon original. This Canon.
Nasa sales stock na naman ako.
Baka ba yan? We bring original.
You know you don't want to show your face to the camera but they can still see you there.
Ah.
See? So, okay, I'm gonna take this one. So, 265 mga kabayan. It's very expensive.
How much you get this one?
I forgot.
100, yeah?
Yeah, something like that.
From Jerry.
Exactly. Yeah. Here, how much? 110.
105. See?
See? It's expensive here.
Come on, same price. And we have blue, not orange.
Mine is better. Different.
See?
It's a different brand.
No, see, Benro.
No, this is Mi Photo.
But this one is better. You want see quality? I'll bring it to you. Not this one.
Ano sinasabi? Sales stock na naman ako.
Wala
Bakit
na
daw
ba
yung
yan?
ano, tripod?
Ada
Mas
all.
gusto niya yung ganito niya.
140.
Okay, I'm gonna take this one. You have card?
Meron.
Okay.
Marami.
Aming card. So, kinuha ko na yung ano, yung battery ng M50 para may extra battery ako for M50. Kahit di ko ginagamit. At least may extra battery.
أول استلم بطارية.
Ito oh. Dami nila dito mga kung ano-anong. Sir. Hi ka sa vlog ko, sir.
Mobile number.
05.
Wala.
Because 05 report. No, this is my first time. No, yeah, I purchased.
Yeah. Which number? 055.
Maybe you didn't put my number before.
No, good.
Yeah, 055. Maybe you didn't. Because last time I remember, what did I buy last time?
What you buy?
I forgot what did I buy last time.
Your name?
Donel Ponce. See? You said you are subscribed to my channel but you don't know my name. Come on. Double N.
The last in restaurant, yeah? You see?
Which restaurant?
and you go just talk Tagalog. And I tell you hi, you tell me hi Arabic.
Ah, you're that guy. Okay. DONN. NNEL. Yes.
Start 265.
Really? You are going to charge me 265? You will not give me discount?
Allah should be happy.
Should be happy.
Last piece.
Kaliwali last piece. Last piece na discount. Good.
Ang ganito ba naman, nagpa-vlog ka pa din?
Pa yan? Sino man? Ano nga pangalan mo?
Hi!
O yan, Julius. Jeff, yung kaibigan niyo.
What's up, madam people?
What's up?
What's up, madam people?
Bakit nakalasala?
Oy, nanonood ka ba ng vlogs ko? Nanonood ka ba?
هذا ايش نعمل 1 2 3 4.
Yan. Baka nakita yung password ng ano ko ha. Ng pin ng ano ko.
Why decline?
Why? Ba yan? Na-decline? Kala ko wala na akong pera. I thought I don't have money anymore.
All YouTuber has money.
All YouTubers have money. I don't have money yet.
Kawayan YouTuber has.
No. So, hindi na ako kakain pala. So, I'm not going to eat anymore because I have the battery. Alas, mushkila.
YouTuber eat free.
Kaliwali free. Thank you. How are you, my friend?
There is holder.
Why do I'm really interested with the GoPro, but with the travel kit. There is no more travel kit in Jarir. You know the offer?
Offer now. And
No.
719 all the kit, the bag, the stand.
With the bag?
Yes.
There's nothing there.
No, we give. Okay, you give like bag, you give stand. Free.
Why you didn't mention? Let me see. I thought only this one. I was looking for it.
Number 1 customer.
Yeah, that one with the bag. Na, mafi, kalas.
هذا يشتيه هو. جيب لك bag وده stand.
Bag and this one, sa? Where? Mafi. ليش ما
انت
في؟
يبغى انا يجيب now.
Inshallah, will it still be available next month? You think so?
Next month ما في. بس now
See?
ما في مشكلة.
That's why I bought this
باقي
one.
2 pieces بس. Or they sell سمسم bag, سمسم stand, 2 pieces. All new كله يجي no bag no.
Okay, can I return this one? And I will buy GoPro.
يبغى GoPro ولا سمسم باج هذا يسوي ريتير
Yeah. أنا سوي return هذا بعدين أنا اشتري GoPro. When GoPro أنا شوف. لازم bag and stand May nahanap niya na yung GoPro with bag. And stand and how much?
1719
Yeah. ليش ما في راكب؟
ما في ستوك كثير في 2 pieces بس هذا بس الكاستمر جود يجيب
Good customer. That means I'm a good customer. So I'm just gonna return this one.
احمد ندير الجوبرو شو القاعد
Huh. You said YouTuber have
What you want to return? Battery.
battery.
Not available. Next time you come, not available.
It's okay. I'm going to Riyadh.
Oh, when you go?
I'm going to Riyadh, so I will just buy that GoPro. Because you know I was thinking because I was looking for that one in Jarir. I did not have, and I thought you only have this one.
خلاص راح اشوفه هذا الطريقة.
Okay. So I will just return that one, and I will just buy that GoPro. This dalan.
No, it's okay.
You know.
بدون فوق القطعة.
طيب كم
509 كم؟ 119. Welcome.
Unfortunately finished. We have other brands.
So you only have now one pizza?
لا خالد لا تعال ولا طيب عيني
What's the problem? Ano مشكلة?
This other code for with bag. Code different.
Is it not the same? But they are the same?
Only code.
Uh-huh. Nagpadalos-dalos na naman ako sa pagbili ng GoPro. Okay na yun. At least may bag and stand. Tripod. So yun, hindi ko na kinuha yung battery, kinuha ko na lang yung GoPro. Hindi na ako kakain.
ابغى هذا ما قلت تكلم ساكت ليش؟
ما نشتري معها.
Do you have accessory for this one with where I can put a microphone?
ميكروفون خلاص هذا نسيت هذا.
لا لا لا.
ميكروفون.
I know, but I want an accessory.
ما في مشكلة أول ما يعقوب هذه عمل نرجع بالبطارية أول شيء نشوف المبركة منه وهذه داخلها بالكيت كذا.
متى شارية القرية؟
للحين قبل شوي
يلا
بس بقى
يلا
يشوف
شوفها طيب
غير موديل آخر.
So, pagod ako. Ba yan? Hirap maging vlogger.
أوكي.
Kasbot?
طيب
Kasbot.
الحين بقى هذا البرفو.
سريع
سيريال نمبر سيريال نمبر. اوكي اخصم منه 265 من المبلغ ويدفع لك الباقي. Thank you my friend.
Thank you.
I'm so distracted.
Why? Why are you so distracted?
You have memory card, no?
Hmm?
Memory for GoPro you have?
No free memory?
ترافل خلاص
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله.
موبايل نمبر فرانك
055. There is no memory card for this one?
What, how many gig?
128, how much?
كله موجود؟
How much is 128 GB? Memory card.
How many GB you want?
128. How much? Oh my god. If I only knew I didn't buy GoPro. Now I don't have money.
Money ka ba yan?
I'm miskin now. I thought it has free memory.
YouTuber has free meal, free...
Kaliwali, no free. Sir. Nag-vlog ako sir. Subscribe ka sa channel ko.
المفاتيح انا جبتها من هنا.
Bumili pa ako ng memory card.
المفاتيح انا جبتها.
Phone number?
Gana. Last. Ilan na lang kami dito. Customer ah. Kanina gutom ako, ngayon parang nabusog ako. Wala na kasi pala akong pangkain. Ano pambili rin? Pangbili ko na ng GoPro. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung decision ko pero wala eh. Ganun talaga. Okay. Last time nagpunta ako dito, nagpapaano sila, sabi nila, upload ko daw agad yung video, hindi ko na-upload. Sorry, okay? I'm going to upload this one immediately. Okay, what's your name again? What's your name?
Saji.
Saji. You? Isak. Okay. Say hi to your family in India.
India.
Yeah, say hi. Say hi to your family in India. Kalam. Hello, hello.
Hello. Hi. How are you?
Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna upload this. This is where they work. Here, in this grocery. Supermarket. Yeah. What's the name of this supermarket?
Honey.
Hanin. So, Saji and Misak, they are working here in supermarket here in Alcobar. So, hello to the family of Saji and Misak. Yeah, okay. Inshallah, I will upload this all. Okay? Thank you. Post. Okay, post. And I'm gonna buy this one. Huh? You want me to post this one today? Okay, I will post this one today. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna post this one. I'm gonna upload this one. Say hi to your family.
Bakala Hani.
Bakala what?
My name is Riyaz.
Riyaz. And Saji. And
Saji. Abdul Razak.
Razak. Okay. So, say hi. Hi. Yeah.
This one, California pineapple. Number 1 thing.
Oh, is that free? Oh. I want to have a selfie with Mutawa.
Oh, mashallah.
Yeah. What's your name, sir?
Muhammad.
Muhammad. And
This is video or?
this is a video. I will upload
Oh,
it.
mashallah.
Can I upload it
no
on YouTube?
Oh, no problem.
Because I have a YouTube
Yeah, and
channel.
this is my friend. This house.
Yeah. You are the owner?
No.
Mr. Muhammad. So he's the Mutawa.
Send the YouTube.
Okay, send me WhatsApp. Mashallah, all video.
Yeah, this is a video.
Okay.
You will see your face all over the world.
Oh, mashallah, no problem. Are you doing something wrong?
No, we're not doing something wrong. That's why we can upload this one, right?
No problem.
You're not.
Mashallah. Jelas hati hati. See you down next time. Okay, bye.
Thank you, Mr. Muhammad.
Okay.
Inshallah. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad. Have a good night.